Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Van from BT21. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start by drawing two diagonal lines at the top of the page here. And now let's connect them at the top with a curve. Let's draw the shape of the head next. Let's draw curves down on either side. And now let's connect them at the bottom. Let's draw the face now, starting with the mouth. In the bottom of the head, let's draw a straight line across. Let's draw the eyes next. Above the mouth on the left, let's draw an X shape. And then on the right side, a circle. Let's draw the body now. Starting underneath the head, let's draw two straight lines down. And now in the center between these lines, let's draw a line at the bottom here. This line should be a little bit longer than the side lines. Now from the outside, let's curve it back into the middle like this for the feet. And the same thing on the right. Let's draw the arms next, starting with the right side. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a curve down and into the body like this. And now for the left side, let's start a little bit higher on the left side of the head and curve it out and back down to the body. Now the last thing I'm going to do is draw a straight line starting from the top of the head all the way down to the bottom. And that's it for Van. Now let's quickly color it in. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!